Good morning, and welcome to week 2. All right, so I'm going to try to make this video as brief as I can, but I do want to go over a couple of things, so hopefully it won't take the full 15 minutes that I'm allotted for this video. So let's get started. All right, so this week is very, very, very important, okay? And so I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. You're focused on a lot of different things. First and foremost, you are choosing your topic, okay? And also focused on, just looking at APA, understanding what it is, and all of that information, okay? And we're going to go ahead and let's get in this folder, shall we? All right, so I've placed a folder in here which is a study tools folder to help you guys, and pretty much that's where you're going to see all of the stuff we're telling you to watch the videos, look at the other information. You definitely need to go through every piece of information in this folder. And then there's a kind of a folder within a folder. There's some APA videos in here as well, okay? So make sure you go through all of that information because it's super important, okay? It helps you explore the JCC library, okay? Searching on the website to find resources, all that good stuff, okay? I'm going to post some more information as well, some other different links that'll be great for you guys to help you find some more resources and research, information for your research for the semester, okay? Because this is a very short semester, because it's a summer session, everything goes very fast. So don't let it get away from you. Okay. You want to make sure that you have enough time to research and get all of your stuff done. All right. And with that said, you want to, of course, make sure that you are doing a lot of your research here on the front end, getting everything so that you have everything ready to go. Okay. You want to make sure, again, you watch the videos on APA. I'm going to be adding some more videos today. There's some evaluating sources videos because you need to be able to do that, as well as the source evaluation worksheet video. So you need to watch all of those videos, okay? Now, and I'm going to check that video and make sure that it is working. This week you'll have your journal entry too, okay? So you need to make sure that you get that done. And let me quickly talk to you guys about that. So with your journal entry, and I'm trying to make sure that I cover this for all my classes that do journal entries. You do not have to attach a Word document for this, okay? You're going to click on the journal entry, okay? You see it's here. You're going to create a journal entry. You can literally type research journal, hold on, journal entry number 2. And then you can just type in whatever you're going to say. Obviously, make sure that you follow the prompt. And of course, make sure that you have the minimum word count and then post entry. Okay. You will know that you have posted it because you'll be able to see your words here. If you do not see your own words there, then that means you did not save it correctly. So you're going to need to play around with it, figure out what the problem is, figure out why it's not saving it. If you're having issues early on, please let me know. So that way we can try to work through any kinks, any issues, okay, and get it figured out. All right, let's get back in here. Okay, so this week, and I forgot to put it up here, so I'm going to add it as well. Your topic submission is also important, okay? So, oh, and it is there, proposed topic. Excuse me. All right, so your topic submission is super important for me, okay? Now, yes, you did an activity last week where you talked about 3 different controversial topics, for this semester. But for me, submitting your topic is important because it allows me the opportunity to be able to say, okay, I'm able to say, yes, you can do this topic, or no, this topic is not going to be good enough, or you may not be able to find enough information. I'll be able to give you feedback. Okay. So this is due by Sunday night. I need to know what your topic is so we can go from there. The sooner the better, honestly. If you can get it in as quickly as you can, that way I can try to, get you some feedback as fast as I can. All right. This week you're doing an APA source evaluation worksheet. It's kind of like a small annotated bibliography. So follow the directions on it. It literally kind of breaks down how to put the sources in, and then the information that you need to be looking for. The great part about this worksheet is that when you get to the annotated bibliography, you'll be able to use the same information. You can kind of cut and paste, well, copy and paste, I guess, and then, piece together the paragraphs and put them together, add more information as needed, okay, if you didn't have enough information. So keep that in mind. The last thing, obviously, is just your quiz, and I always try to have some quiz study tools if I feel it's necessary. Now, you may see a quiz where I may say, all right, you're on your own. You got to make sure that you read your information, because I don't want to enable you guys, and I feel this way all the time about all my classes. I try to make sure, all right, if I'm doing most of the work for you, and giving you a lot of different study tools, sometimes I will kind of cut the cord and say, all right, this is your week where you got to make sure that you get all your reading done, and make sure that you have everything that you need so that you can be successful with your quiz. So this week, of course, you have some study tools to kind of help you, but you still need to make sure that you are, again, of course, reading everything that you have for the week. Okay. Now, and I think I need to fix some reading here too as well. I'm going to fix some stuff here in the folder for you guys, but just know, as for now, obviously the stuff that you have due this week, your journal 2, okay, you're submitting your proposed topic, you are completing the APA source evaluation worksheet, and then of course your quiz for this week. I will be posting more information, so I'm going to post, apparently I did not post the readings here somehow. I don't know how that got cut off, but I'm going to make sure that gets posted so you'll know the information that you'll need. I'm going to also be posting some more videos. So inside this study tools folder, you're going to see probably a lot more stuff that's going to that's going to pop up in there, excuse me. So I'm going to try to get some more stuff in there. I like to use Scribber because it's just a great site that kind of helps you work through some of your ideas and different things with understanding APA, understanding how to put your paper together, all that types of stuff. And then I also have a lot of information about some other stuff about APA that I definitely want to make sure that you get, because these are just great tools and you can always download them, use them for another class, that type of thing. Okay. Now, I hope that this video has kind of covered at least most of everything what you'll need to know for week 2. Please know that the grading for week 1 is already done. So definitely take a look at your grade and where you stand for now. I'm sure you all have read my, in the syllabus, my late policy. I don't accept late work. So I try to always have your stuff graded. I try by Monday, but there are some days if it's a weekend or a week where you guys submitted some longer assignments, it may take me an extra day or two. So I do try to get stuff in no later than Wednesday, just because, I want to make sure that we're able to kind of move forward to what we have due for that current week. Okay. So just know, obviously, the goal is always going to be Monday, but no later than Wednesday. And if there are ever any issues where, we need to readjust or I'm just not able to get everything done by Wednesday, you'll always see a message from me. Sometimes it'll come in the midweek check-in where it'll say, hey, I'm still working on this, because I do have a 2-week rule, but I do try again, like I said, to get it in before then. But again, you'll see a message from me that will let you know kind of what's going on. All right. If you guys have any questions, please, please, please let me know. Oh, and also let me tell you something else really quickly. So I know a lot of my verbiage says that you must choose a topic within your career field. I've talked with a couple of you guys, and I'm glad that you reached out. You don't have to do something from your career field, okay? If you can think of something, because I know some of you guys are undecided, and perhaps maybe you just thought of a different controversial issue, something that you came up with when you were doing your discussion board. I'm totally okay with that. Honestly, I've kind of gone outside of the box. I really need to change some of this verbiage, but I didn't even think to change it this time. And so that, and for that, forgive me. But just know, if you want to change your topic up, that's perfectly okay. Just make sure it is a controversial issue. So it needs to be an actual issue. Okay. Some of you guys, some of the stuff that I saw in the discussion board, I posted some comments that said, make sure that this is a controversial issue, because what's going to happen is it's going to be hard for you to research some of the issues that you guys have come up with. So you need to make sure that, first of all, it is a controversial issue and there is a problem within it. Okay. Because you're going to have to research in depth that problem, and you're going to have to talk about that problem. And you're going to have to discuss it and create a proposal which will pretty much tell people, okay, this is how we can fix this problem. So think about that as you are working towards making sure you choose your topic this week, okay? Your final presentation that you'll do, which will be a video, will be you telling your classmates, okay, this is the problem, this is how we fix it. So all of these things I like to tell you guys early on, make sure that you, as you choose your topic, that it is a problem or issue, right, that you can discuss, okay? You have to be able to propose a solution for it and talk about it. You got to be able to talk about the solutions that came before you. So people or authors that try to fix that problem first. So you're going to have to talk about all these things. So keep that in mind, okay, as you try to, get ready to choose your particular topic, okay? If you have questions about any of this, please, please, please let me know. I'm always here. Send me a message, send me an email. Remember, when you send me an email, to include your course and section number. So you'll put English 112 -I06, okay? And that will help me distinguish what class you're in so I can quickly get to figure out what your problem is, and then we can go from there, okay? There may be more videos to come this week. It just really depends on how, if I feel like you need another one or not. Otherwise, obviously, there'll be a video next week. Have a great rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing some of your work and your topics this week. Have a great day.